We've been working on our fall 2021 schedule here at Heirloom Creations in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And I want to tell you of two upcoming events that we have planned for you. Hi, I'm Sarah from Heirloom Creations and sewingmastery.com. So for those of you in our area or surrounding areas, I want to invite you to our brand new event center for an Oklahoma embroidery, supply and design, 2-day workshop and 1-day workshop. One will be on October 21st and 22nd. That one will be the So Happy themed workshop. And I want to tell you about a newly designed format that we've designed to make this workshop work for everyone. And we also are going to be doing their 1-day Say Cheese workshop on October 23rd. So if you can come for the 2-day, that would be awesome. If you could only come on a Saturday, come to the 1-day event. We have plenty of room for you to have an entire table all to yourself. But wait, we have a special offer that will allow you to, number one, you're going to be using your own embroidery machine. So everything will be familiar to you. And it'll be a way we can teach you some new tricks on your current machine. And we're adding a guest option. So if you sign up a guest, there will be a reduced rate for your +1. Your +1 will be sitting with you at your own embroidery machine. These workshops are designed so you'll be able to complete all the projects in class on the machine you're using. So whether you're all by yourself or if you've brought a friend to have twice as much fun, that's what I would do. We're going to put links below that you can check out the class description, see even more pictures, see where we're located. Gosh, if you're in the surrounding states to South Dakota, I invite you to come out, hang out with me and our staff, and see all the things that you can learn. So speaking of learning, here's one thing that I always tell our students as a reminder. When you come to a workshop, remember, it's not about the projects you're making. It's the process, the techniques, the tips. Though somebody asks a question and you're like, oh, that was the answer I was looking for, but I didn't know what to or how to ask that question. Those are the things you gain when you come together. You learn from different instructors, different ways of doing similar things. So even though you might be an advanced embroiderer or maybe you're just starting, these are events that are designed to help you get to your next level. So if you're already up here learning so much, there's always a few more things that you can learn. Plus, it's going to be totally entertaining. Every person gets their own kit, and every person who comes gets their own goodie bag. So Oklahoma Embroidery has always been known for amazing events. And so we are so excited to host this coming up this fall. Now, the quilt behind me is just one of many things that they're going to talk about. Quilting, applique, freestanding lace, really getting into some of those other stabilizers that might not be as familiar to you. Those are things that we're going to really delve into and help you become a better embroiderer. So please check out the links below. Give our store a call, drop us an email, ask your questions. If you're out of town, we'll get you set up with some recommended hotel rooms. We'll send you downtown for a fun night where we will recommend some extra things for you to do if you're staying overnight. We can't wait to start hosting events in our brand new event center. There's going to be lots to see, lots to learn, specials on designs and stabilizer, and a huge trunk show full of samples that you'll be able to see up close and really get appreciation of all the wonderful digitizing and creativity that Oklahoma Embroidery has brought to consumers ever since I worked there over 20 years ago. So I can't wait to be part of this event, and I hope to see you in one of our upcoming events or classes soon.